What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdy Gator. You guys, it's been a minute, but I am back in the Dollar Tree, Family Dollar combo store. And yes, everything here that is Dollar Tree related, you know, the Dollar Tree side is still just $1. So if you guys have a combo store in your area and you're trying to avoid paying $1.25 at just Dollar Tree specific Dollar Tree stores, you know, not the combo stores, definitely come out to your combo store and see what you can find, because everything here that has the Dollar Tree logo is still just $1. Anyways, you guys, I'm not really sure where I want to start out, but I'm gravitating over here, and I just kind of wanted to give you guys an update. You guys probably remember a couple months ago when this store first became a combo store, I was giving you guys an update on the freezers, and since then they have really filled up. So we do have some $1 items mixed amongst the more expensive items. We have all sorts of popsicles and like ice cream bars, things that we never had in here before. We have Breyer's ice cream, we have Snickers ice cream, Ben & Jerry's, Fudgesicle, Good Humor, Klondike, Cool Whip, the Edwards 2 slices. Now sometimes we see these in Dollar Tree, the 1 slice. Oh my gosh, you guys, these are so cute. Look at these. I've never seen these before. These are so adorable. A super cute Ben & Jerry's cookie dough. $2.80 for the whole thing. How much? 10 grams of saturated fat, 4 grams of protein, 25 grams of sugar. That's my first time ever seeing super tiny Ben & Jerry's ice cream before. We have Eggos. We have banquet bowls. I mean, it's full, you guys. I did a glance and it's full, so let's just go with it. We have Hungry Man meals, banquet meals, mashed potatoes, French fries. Ooh, Rally's famous seasoned fries. I think when I lived in Ohio, I actually had those. Rally's famous seasoned fries. My husband would probably want me to bring some of those home and try them out. We also have P.F. Chang chicken egg rolls. Birdy's definitely gonna want some of those. So I'm like finding things that I know my family would like to try. We even have shrimp. What else do we have? A lot of grocery store freezer items, not just your Dollar Tree items. We have chicken nuggets by Tyson. We have New York strip steaks, sirloin steak. We have ground beef, $8.50 for 2 pounds. Boneless pork ribs, $6.50 for 16 ounces. And $7.50 for a boneless pork chop. That's 5 ounces, a 4 count. I don't really understand that verbiage, so let's take a look. Okay, so here we go. We get 2. It's 20 ounces for $7.50, I guess. That's not really what the label said, but I don't know, maybe have them scan it. We have taquitos, chimichangas, corn dogs. We have White Castle sliders, Hot Pockets, TGI Friday wings, bagel bites, pizza rolls, Totino's. We have Red Baron. These are the singles. We have stuffed crust and DiGiorno, rising crust, bacon and cheese stuffed, fully loaded pizzas, $5 by Red Baron, classic crust, Supreme, 4 cheese, 4 meat, and pepperoni, $5 each. We also have the Tony's pizzas. Those are $3 each. And now we have some $1 items. We have pepperoni combination cheese and 3 meat. Yes, you guys, they're all just $1. We also have the little Tony's French breads and the banquet pot pies. We also have beef patties down below. Okay, nothing but $1, you guys. We have Ore-Ida extra crispy crinkles. We have the fast bite sandwiches and the classic hot dogs. Even more, the grilled sandwiches, the breaded chicken sandwiches. We have meatball and mozzarella hot pocket, Philly and cheese steak, jalapeno steak with cheese, and pepperoni pizza. We also have ham and cheese. We also have more Jamaican style patties, dollar bags of fries. We recently tried, not the crinkle cut, but the skinny ones, and you guys don't get those like ever. They just get so tiny and they're not good. They do not cook well at all in the oven. Not the crinkle ones, but the ones that look like McDonald's fries. Do not get those. We have okra, we have frozen fruit. We have some waffles. I could stock up on those. I always love to get those. Meatballs, stir fry, banana slices. We have cream puffs. We have sausage patties and links, waffles. Oh, I usually get not that one, not the blueberry ones, but the kids like those. We also have Farmer John links, super pretzels. We have some microwave meals. We have the pickles in a bag, the hot pickles. We have hot dogs. The current price for 1 dozen eggs is $2.30 here at Family Dollar. It's always changing for January 2022. We have bacon. Bacon is $5.25 for the thick cut. That's a pound. We also have the Hillshire Farm kielbasas. We have Lunchables for $4.35. Bar S lunch meat. We also have Oscar Mayer oven roasted lunch meat for $4. We have all the sliced and packaged cheeses. And we have shredded cheese up top. It looks like the most inexpensive one is $2.85 for 8 ounces. Goes for about $2.22 at Walmart. We have also 8-ounce blocks for $2.85. We have Country Crock, can't believe it's not butter, and salted real butter for $4.25. Lots of juices, lemonade, the Simply Raspberry. The Simply Orange juice is $3.85. The Simply Lemonade is $2.75. And we also have Minute Maid juices down here. This is just $1.30. Oh, it says no juice. So what is it exactly? Oh, High C makes it, you guys. High C makes it. But it's no juice. No fruit juice, not 5%, nothing. It's basically High C in an orange juice container. It's basically orange drink. Yeah, you guys, we have quite a bit of staples. We have gallon milk, and it's forever changing. These are the January prices here in my store. $4.35 for a gallon, $3.05 for a half gallon. We have just a couple creamers. We have chocolate milk for $3.85. Bubblies, vitamin waters, Buys, other bottled waters, Core, Smart Water, Dasani. And then of course, lots and lots, let me park my cart. We have lots and lots of drinks, everything from Powerade to Gatorade to the 100% real Minute Maid juices. We have Twister juices. We have Brisk iced teas, Gold Peak teas, the 100% orange juice, just $1, the Donald Duck brand or the Disney brand. We have lots of Starbucks drinks. We also have Dunkin' up there. We have Monster Energy. And then over here, we have Red Bulls for $3. Lots of Red Bulls, ranging from $2.50 to $3. More Monsters for $2.25. Lots of sodas. Mango Pepsi. Ooh, I think there was something for a free mango Pepsi on Ibotta, but I haven't checked in a few days. So I'm gonna go on Ibotta and see, but this possibly might be free. So you guys definitely go on your Ibotta app. Let me know if you want to use my code. If you scan your first receipt, you earn $10 and so do I. And if you share it with a friend or family member, you can earn $10 every time they scan their first receipt as well. I just love Ibotta. I've earned over $500 with that app. And most of my money I've earned in like the last 2 years. Ooh, you guys, we have $1. They're back in stock, you guys. The $1 canned Dr. Peppers. Now let me show you guys something really quick. These are $1.99. The regular Dr. Peppers are $1.99. But if you want a cold Dr. Pepper and you want to only pay $1 for it, this is 16 ounces. This one is 20 ounces. So for 99 cents less and only 4 ounces less, you can get a $1 can of Dr. Pepper here in Family Dollar. I think it's a great deal. We also have $1 cans of Diet Coke and regular Coke. But my kids love Dr. Pepper, so I had to point that out to you guys. We still have some limited edition drinks. We have Winter Spice Cranberry, that's $1.95 by Sprite. We have Vanilla Coke, and we have Cherry Coke. Yeah, you guys, that was a pretty good look in the coolers, the freezers, the refrigerators, whatever you like to call them. And this is the fullest that they've been in this new combo store location. So I'm really excited to like bringing you guys in here even more in the future, because I know it's just going to continue to get more and more stocked up. I mean, the holidays just ended, so I know some of these items probably got sold out. And you guys look, they have like pallets and pallets of stuff to restock. Anyways, you guys, I'm off to the very next video here in the Dollar Tree Family Dollar combo store. So definitely check out the next one. I love you guys so much. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.